What if I told you the most heavily traded new fund since the Bitcoin ETFs has nothing to do with Bitcoin? It is a 2 times leveraged bet on SpaceX, and in just 3 weeks, it has quietly lost almost half of its value. This is SPCH, the leverage shares 2 times Long SpaceX Daily ETF. It trades on the CBOE exchange. It launched in the middle of June 2026, and it is built to do one thing: deliver 200% of SpaceX's daily stock move. When SpaceX climbs 1% in a day, SPCH is designed to climb 2. The launch was historic. On its very first day, SPCH traded roughly $282 million. That was the largest first-day volume for any new ETF since BlackRock's Bitcoin fund back in 2024. Within its first week, it topped $4 billion. Traders did not just show up. They stampeded. The timing explains the frenzy. SpaceX had just completed the largest public offering in history, raising $75 billion. 12 leveraged SpaceX funds launched within 72 hours, all fighting for the same traders. SPCH won that volume war. And this week, SpaceX officially joined the NASDAQ 100. Here is the detail most buyers miss. SPCH does not actually own a single share of SpaceX. It uses swap contracts with banks to manufacture its 2 times exposure, and it resets that leverage every single day. That word daily is the most important word in this entire video. Because it resets daily, SPCH is not built to give you 2 times SpaceX's return over weeks or months, only over a single day. Those daily moves compound in strange ways, and in a choppy market the math works against you. It is called volatility decay, and it quietly eats away at your money. Look at the record. SPCH began life around $20.80 a share. 3 weeks later, it sits near $11.60, a fall of more than 40%. That came from a pullback in SpaceX combined with daily reset decay. A fund like this can bleed value even on days the underlying stock barely moves. So why build it this way? Because SPCH is a trading tool, not a long-term investment. Held for a few hours, it does its job. Held for months, the daily reset turns it into a slow leak. It also carries a 0.75% expense ratio, low for its category, but still a cost on top of the decay. SPCH is for the trader who watches the market all day, understands leverage, and treats the fund like a stopwatch, not a savings account. And remember, leverage cuts both ways. If SpaceX ever fell more than 50% in a single trading day, holders of SPCH could lose their entire investment. This is one of the highest risk products on the market today. So here is my question for you. Would you ever hold a 2 times leveraged fund like SPCH overnight? Or is it strictly a day trade in your book? Tell me in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more ETF deep dives, ticker by ticker.